Tired of AI images that miss the mark? Let's unlock the secret to consistent, stunning art by mastering style references in Nano Banana. First, fire up Nano Banana and locate the style reference section. It's usually an upload button or a designated area within the image generation settings. Now, the magic ingredient, your reference image. This could be a painting, a photograph, or even a screenshot that embodies the style you're after. For example, I am using a Van Gogh painting. Adjust the style weight slider. A higher weight means Nano Banana will strongly prioritize the reference style, potentially sacrificing some content accuracy. A lower weight allows for more creative freedom. Next, tweak the content preservation slider. This helps Nano Banana balance style replication with maintaining the original subject of your prompt. See the difference? The image on the right now echoes Van Gogh's brushstrokes and color palette, all thanks to the style reference. Experiment. Try different reference images and slider combinations to find the perfect blend. You can go for comic book styles, watercolors, or digital art pieces to get some of the best results. And there you have it. With style references, you're not just prompting, you're conducting the AI, crafting visuals with unparalleled precision. Go ahead and create some amazing art.